Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to see your list on Netflix. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom of your screen. In the My Netflix section, you will find a My List option. Tap on My List to view all the movies and shows you have added to your personal list. Now that you are in My List section, you can scroll through all the videos you have saved. When you find the one that you want to watch, just tap on it to start streaming. And that's it. This is how you can see your list on Netflix. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.